Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. If you remember, and you may have noticed that we've actually changed the layout of our repair solutions. So when you go to repair solutions now, the layout will be totally different. It's a lot more better on the eye, easier to read, and Rod's done a fantastic job in implementing that new form and layout for the repair solutions. There's also some new search mechanisms being put in place to be able to find those repair solutions that you're looking for easier and quicker than it was previously. How about we jump in front of a computer and I'll show you some of those features. Okay, so we're logged in here on the website as a member, and we're just going to go to Repair Solutions, so our top left-hand icon there, and you can see that the layout is totally different now. So all the makes and models are listed there. If we'll go for a common one here, and we go with Kia. Find it. Okay, all the Kias will then be uploaded here, so we can then go through. We go, okay, we'll go and look at a Carnival. Okay, when we get down here, we can see that they're already populating the field. So that's all our Kia Carnival repair solutions. We can show, okay, we've got different series there. We can show all, and we've got engine-related ones, and we can come up with it. So it'll scroll down. It'll already be pulling out the ones that are still relevant, and we've got 4 there we can have a look at that are relevant for the Kia Carnival engine-related problems of different year models. So different ways you can look at it, but there's a lot of different things in here. We can have a look at another one. So we go to Holden. It'll then bring up all the different makes and models of Holden. In this particular one here, we can scroll up and down there. We can maybe pick the Commodore. It'll then go to different models. We can go, say, to VE, a common system problem. We can then look at the different areas of the car. Say it's a HVAC and air conditioning type of problem, and we can show all the VE models. And so they're all the VE, Commodore, HVAC repair solutions that are in there. So if you've got a VE come in with a air conditioning problem, you've got a number of cases there, and I'm quite sure that a few of them there will certainly help you out. So a great new format for it. Also the way that they're laid out overall. If we have a look at a particular case study here, repair solutions, we'll just scroll down to the last one that's been uploaded here. Again, you'll see that the format's very different. We've widened the scope of the text, and we've also put in the top box here, customer complaint and fault solution. So it tells you straight away a quick little snapshot of what the complaint was, what the fix was, and then you can actually go through and read the diagnostic sequence, look at some images if there are any applicable to that repair solution, etc., and recommended time. So a great new format. You can print that straight off from your browser and take that to the vehicle as well. So a great new format that we've got laid out there for the repair solutions. Okay, so that was a quick little snapshot of the uploaded or the new version of Repair Solutions on the website. We're continually making more and more improvements to the website, to the search mechanisms, and also obviously adding a lot more data, information, repair solutions, good scope scan data into the system all the time. So if you are a member, make sure you start and utilise it. If you are utilising it and you love it, make sure you let everyone else in the industry know about it. There are a lot of guys out there that still aren't fully aware of what TAT's all about and the assistance we can give you from a diagnostic point of view. So make sure you make good use of it, log in, make sure you're accessing that information as regularly as you need to. See you next time.